Hi and welcome back to the Spanish Revival, where we renovate the Spanish home one episode at a time. In this video, we'll be planting our lemon tree seedlings. Keep in mind, we're novices at this, and it's the first time we do this process. Just like you, we're researching and trying what works. We currently have 2 lemon trees in the garden. One that is producing fruit and another one that is regrowing from a tree stump. This one we expect to grow a lot within the next year, and we'll keep you updated on the process on the channel. We want to have around 5 to 7 fruit-producing lemon trees around the garden, so we'll grow them all from seeds. Since the lemon trees produce fruit all year round, we wanted to reuse the genes when we grow new trees. We started by picking a lemon and dissecting it, discovering the seeds. It's a bit of a process, and you'll probably want to be careful not to cut any of the seeds with a knife or whatever tool you're using. I'm quite happy with the amount of seeds that this lemon had. If all these seeds become new lemon trees, then this one lemon might be responsible for the majority of the fruit trees in the garden, even though that's most unlikely. Dry the seeds quickly. Peel them until they turn greenish yellow. Be careful not to damage the core of the seed. Then they're ready to be placed in a wet paper towel and zip bag. This initiates the germination process. Wait for a couple of weeks until they grow roots and they're ready for the soil. Here's how they look after 3 to 4 weeks. As you can see, some of them have started growing small roots. The seeds are now transferred into small pots, and in future episodes we'll unveil how they're doing. Join us as we plant and grow more trees and renovate our Spanish home, episode by episode. For now, hasta luego.